it is Lisa. How are you doing? Guess what I got today? It just arrived on my front porch. I have my box 2 of the little box of figs. So if this is the first time you're at my channel, I like to do live unboxings. I'm going to open the tape, unbox, and show everything as I'm seeing it. And I love doing unboxings. I do sewing, I do beauty products, and I want to do more videos on travel coming up in the future. I know that's totally out of line with sewing right now, but that's something I really enjoy. So if you haven't done so already, the point I'm trying to get across is please hit that subscribe button and the little bell. That way you can know when I upload a video, and it would really help support my channel as a new YouTuber. It's important to know that you want to see content, so please hit the subscribe and like. It would mean a lot to me. Okay, let's get started. I looked up before I opened the box what I paid for it, because I just got invoiced last week and I paid $79.25. This is a quarterly subscription box, little box of figs, and it even says box 2 on there. They always pack it in this priority mail box, and it's in little bubble wraps, and this is the little box of figs. So, and they just really put it in this bubble wrap so you know nothing's going to get damaged. Okie dokie. I need my readers. I'm very nearsighted, but alright, here we go. Little box of figs 2020, box 2. Hello, my fig tree friends, and welcome. This is the second box of the 2020 program. We knew the moment that Moda reprinted all Hallows Eve collections that they had to include it in another little box. So last year, actually, we got fabric from the All Hallows Eve collection. So it seems like they're giving it to us again. So let's see, I'm opening the box, and the first thing right on top are the 2 patterns. They always give a small project. So this looks like the small one. It's called Sugar Pumpkin, and it's perfect as a centerpiece, a pin cushion, or just because, and it's approximately 5 inches across. They always have very clear instructions, and I see this one has templates, even a big one inside. And that is the finished item, and it's really cute. So that's the first project. And the second one is a table runner called Pumpkins in a Row. And that is also very cute. It is 16.5 by 40. And I'm definitely going to make this. And I'm looking at the fabric just in this. And yes, we did receive this last year. But, and I did make something from it, but I'll make something else. So I'm not too disappointed. I mean, it would be nice to get new fabric, but All Hallows Eve is very cute, very pretty. So those are the 2 projects, and that's what they say. The main projects, Pumpkin in a Row, it needs a charm pack, and they have all the fabric for this in this box. So let's take a look at that. I'm going to bring out the fabric first. Here's the All Hallows Eve charm pack, 5 inch squares. We got 2 of these last year. Same one. And here are the other fabrics to make it. You know what? I do like it, but I kind of wanted something different. I'm a little bit disappointed, but you know, with subscription boxes, you don't know what you're going to get. So you pay money and you get surprised. So would have I have liked to have seen different fabric? Yes, but there's nothing I can do about it. So, and the project is adorable. So that's the fabric. They've also included some green wool. It looks like the leaves on top of that project. So here it is. And an emergency sewing kit that is really cute. It says perfect for travel, obviously. I'm going to open it and show you guys what it looks like. The tin is adorable. And this is made by Kirkland. Yeah, it's made in the Netherlands and then shipped here. So there you go. I love the tin. Oh, it slides off like a little sardine. Oh, it's adorable. There's the items in the tin. I don't want it to spill out. But we have scissors and a seam ripper. You hear my clock. Thread and a needle. There's buttons, a little pack of buttons and snaps. A thimble. Oh, you know, I really needed a thimble, so. And safety pins. This is really cute. I love it. In this room, you can add things to it as well. And it just slides closed. So I really, really like it. And it's actually a 48-piece set. There it goes. And then the next item in here, looks like the last item, is this Quilters Rule zipper bag. It says Quilters Rule. Isn't that adorable? And the little strap is, you know, there you go. A little, why can't I remember what this is called? A tape measure. So it goes from 1 to 13 and has a zipper. Little zipper hole. Inside is just plain. But this is so cute. I really enjoy this. That's adorable. So let's see. Oh, a friction pen. It says one of our favorite notions ever. I didn't see a friction pen in my box. Let's look in the nope. I'm just getting all these little things all over the place. There's no friction pen in here. So, which is a shame because I love friction pens, so I'll have to email them. But I've got, this is, you know, something I've received from them before. And if you don't know what this is, you draw on your fabric, you can draw lines and stuff. And then when you iron, the lines disappear. So, I wonder why I didn't get a friction pen. Oh, I'm sorry. I forgot to show you this. It's also a little charm pack. Also All Hallows Eves. So that is the box minus the friction pen. That is my friction pen. So what did you think of it? I really love the projects. I will make this. And what's really nice, it's July and, you know, plenty of time to make this in time for fall. So this is really cute. Really cute. I know the fabric. I won't belate it any longer, but I wish we had different fabric, but oh well, that's the surprise of getting a subscription box. So I still love the box a lot, and they always have really good customer service and stuff like that. So I'm actually in the middle of working a project. I'll just show you because I'm at my sewing room. I'm making the Stars in the Woodland. This is from last year's box, and I'm busy cutting the fabric, and then I'm gonna obviously cut these animals out. There's all sorts of animals. And I'm making a quilt for my son. I'm going to make this one bigger. This one only goes to 34 3/4 by 43. I'm going to add extra borders on this to make it at least a lap size quilt for my son who lives in Oregon. So I'm excited to get that done in the next, I say the next few weeks. It'll probably take me a couple of months because I do work full time and stuff. I can't sew all the time. So that's also a little box of figs project. So tell me what you thought of the box in the comments, please. I'd love to hear your comments. Again, they always give you such beautiful fabric and really cute notions. These are probably the cutest notions I've received in a very long time. I will use this all the time just as a little, going out bag. So us quilters now could spot each other from a mile away, right? So we have to say hi if you see somebody with the same bag. Anyway, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye.